favorite goalkeeper of the winning team today, Waterhouse, Kemar Foster. First of all, outstanding performance and a clean sheet. Speak to us about your individual performance first and foremost.
My performance is basically simple. It was what I say, 70%. My grind keep acting up, and I have to just stay out there with the team. They asked me to stay out there and build the team with them. So it was a pretty good, decent one for me.
You weren't asked to make many magnificent saves, but you were called upon a few times, and you seemed assured every single time. Speak to us about what it takes to prepare for a game like this and to go out and to give a confident and good performance.
You got to stay focused, stay disciplined, and work hard.
All right, and on your feet, you are one of the best goalkeepers on your feet in the whole Premier League right now. Today we saw you demonstrate some skill, in your own box. What goes through your head before that moment, and do you know that you're going to do that? And aren't you nervous when trying something like that?
No, confidence. From in the training, once you have confidence using your feet, if you notice all over the world, that's what all of the goalkeepers are using their feet. So it's really natural for me to use my feet. So it wasn't nerve moment, or I don't know that I'm going to do it already, because he's running very, very fast at me. So once I lift up my foot, he's going to jump, and I just cut it back.
All right, until very recently, Harbour was undefeated. So coming into this game, they would have had some good form, and they would have been a good team. What was Waterhouse's mindset coming into today's game?
Our mindset was always pressing as high as possible. Don't give them any chance to play, and I think we done that pretty well today. You see the score line, and we are grateful. It starts from in the training session. As you see our season start us, it's up and down, up and down, up and down. So I hope this win can continue to better going forward.
All right, good game.
Thanks.